Hi everyone, I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how to turn the SubliCraft glitter tumblers into the ultimate custom item with sublimation, using the HP and CraftPro mug press with the tumbler attachment. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. You can now rise and shine with these special 20-ounce glitter skinny tumblers from SubliCraft. As part of Heat Press Nation's efforts to offer the most popular sublimation blanks through SubliCraft, there's now another option for sublimation tumblers that can make for a fun addition to your collection of drinkware. Despite their glitter-heavy finish on the outside, the surface of these tumblers has been readily coated to your sublimation transfers at full color. Available in both white and silver, SubliCraft's glitter skinny tumblers are ready to make your glamorous images shine further to outclass the more run-of-the-mill tumblers. To begin, you'll need to scale your images down to fit within the imprint dimensions of the tumbler itself. If you use graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, we recommend downloading the PDF template found at the Tumblers webpage, linked below from heatpressnation.com. These templates will include a smart object layer of the tumbler's imprint area, where you can simply import your image and any additional elements onto. As you fit your most important details within the safety area, you'll still have the opportunity to add a background that perfectly loops around the tumbler and reaches its top and bottom edges. This template also has grid lines to the left and right for precisely snapping your graphics to the center of the tumbler's left and right sides. As soon as your tumbler design has been prepared, you may print it through your sublimation printer. If you're using a Sawgrass printer, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings: substrate to stainless steel tumbler, paper to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid, depending on your design's level of detail. With these settings in, go ahead and click Print on SPM. With the transfer now printed, use a craft knife to precisely trim the edge of your design as indicated. As this edge will overlap with the other side of the transfer, we recommend trimming slightly inside it to where about 1 millimeter or less is cut off. Then, you may tightly wrap the transfer around your tumbler, making sure that the trim side is in contact with the tumbler, and that it's been centered with the image as you heat tape it in place. To ease the process of sublimating a SubliCraft glitter tumbler, we'll be using our HP and CraftPro mug press, though you'll first need to make sure the tumbler attachment has been installed on your machine. If you haven't done so, begin by removing the thumb screws on the top. Then disconnecting and sliding the element out to replace it with the tumbler attachment. Make sure the attachment is positioned with the machine's mounting holes. Fasten the thumb screws back to the attachment. Then connect this cable back to the machine. Before turning it on, however, let's first adjust it to required medium pressure and test press our tumbler while doing so. As soon as pressure has been found, slide it out and turn on your machine to 60 to 90 seconds at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches temperature, slide your tumbler back inside the heating element and press it. When your machine reaches time, open it and wear heat-resistant gloves to rotate the tumbler to its opposite side, pressing it again for another 60 to 90 seconds. Once the timer hits 0, open your machine and take the tumbler out to cool down for a moment. When it's cooled down, quickly peel the transfer off and you've now customized a SubliCraft glitter tumbler with your very own sublimation transfer. To share your custom SubliCraft tumblers with us alongside an ever-growing community of heat transfer enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. To learn more about SubliCraft glitter drinkware or the HP and CraftPro mug press, be sure to visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, you can contact one of our friendly MyExpert representatives at heat.press/support. I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and have a great day.